Hi, so this is just a quick introduction to Global Voices. So Global Voices is an online news platform. It's global, so you have news stories from across the world, and it's in multiple languages. So if you drop this down, these are all the different languages that it is offered in. So that's going to be really good for our ELLs, because there are a ton of languages. So how it works is you go on, and this is what you see when you initially enter, and then you scroll down and you can see the different news stories that they have posted. So this one's from Latin America from 2 days ago, the Caribbean a day ago, Eastern Asia 2 days or 1 day ago. And so what I discovered when playing on this website is if you choose an article, so I chose this one, Women's Role in Science is Vital. I have it in English originally, but when I go down, I can see read this post in, and it'll tell me the different languages it's offered in. So we have French, so if I click on it in French, I can go down and read that in French. If I click on this one, I can read it in Greek and go down and read it in Greek. Or I could also read this one in Spanish. And so this is really good for our ELLs because they have a bunch of different languages. Not every article is offered in every language, but they could find one that interests them that will be in their language and in English. So here's another one, 10 women football stars. So again, I can read this one in French, which is initially what I had this one in. I can go to Bangala. I could read this one in Bangala. Could read this one in Turkish. Could read it in Spanish and English. And same thing with this one. I originally have it in Spanish, but if I look here, I can read it in English. So if we had students doing current events, this is a really great website because, like I said, they can just choose their home language. So if I wanted to say, if I wanted it to be all in French, I could go to subjects, what interests me. I'm interested in religion. Go here. Here are all my articles I can read about. I don't know. Let's see. Let's go with this one. And I could see it's in Italian. It's in so many languages, actually. So we got Mogalze, we got French, Italian, we got Spanish, we have Dutch, we have Portuguese, we have English, we have Romanian. So again, so this is from November 7th, but we have it in Nepali, so we have it in a ton of different languages. So this is going to be really good for our ELLs, this website, because they can choose their home language to start in, and they can read it in their home language and then switch to go to English from there. Or if they wanted to start in English, they could go in English and then choose their home language if the post is in their home language. So that was just a little example of me playing on the website. It's really good for our students. It's a really good internet source to get global news across. And like I said in my post, it's really good for them to practice reading, because you can read the stories. Some of them have videos attached at the top, so this one is just a written one, so they could read this, and then they can give an oral explanation or a written explanation about what it was about. Some of them have videos up at the top that the students can watch as well, so that would help with their listening. So it's really overall a good website.